Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Daniela and today I'm going to show you how to finish bead crochet row with clasp, how to attach clasp. I have a few examples here how it looks. Once we attach an eye pin to a bead crochet row, we can add whatever fastening we want. A lobster clasp, a toggle clasp, magnetic clasp, it depends on what do you prefer. So let's take a look at what we need. We need a big eye needle, 2 eye pins, 2 bead caps, these have 12 millimeters, scissors, jump rings, and some clasp. I'm going to use a lobster clasp and extended chain, and chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, and side cutter. So here I have a bead crochet row with unfinished ends, and I will show you 2 ways how to finish them. I will demonstrate the first way on the one end and the second way on the other end. The result will be exactly the same. First we close the last loop, simply slide a crochet hook. Then we take a big eye needle and thread the needle with this end tail. Now we take an eye pin and go through it with our needle and go through a crochet rope, just the threads, not the beads. Go back and forth several times and go through the eye pin several times as well to secure it. And keep weaving our thread tail into our bead crochet rope, and then cut the tail as close as possible to our crochet rope. Now we take a bead cap, put it on the eye pin, cut the eye pin about 1 centimeter from the bead cap, then take chain nose pliers and bend the eye pin a little bit and make a loop with round nose pliers. Now open a jump ring, put it into our loop and add a lobster clasp and close the jump ring. So one side is finished, and now I will show the second way how to do it. We thread a big eye needle and weave the tail into the bead crochet rope. Just go through the threads, not the beads. Then cut off the excess tail. Then we take an eye pin, open it with pliers, and simply go through the thread and close the eye pin. Put on bead cap, cut the eye pin, bend it, and make a loop. Open a jump ring, put it into the loop and add an extender chain, and now close the jump ring. And the second side is finished. I think that it was very easy, and in some of the next tutorials I will show you the invisible join and some other things about bead crochet. So thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell, and if you have any questions feel free to ask in the comments. See you next time, bye!